This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your router broadcasts a 2.4 GHz network because the HP NeverStop 1000W needs that for initial pairing. Turn the printer on and wait until it reports ready. The wireless LED should be off or blinking. Once done, keep your SSID and password available and move the printer close to the router to avoid signal drops. Now press and hold the wireless button on the printer for about 3 seconds to enter WPS or setup mode and watch the LED behavior. You can complete connection 2 ways: WPS for speed or the HP Smart app for control. If using WPS, press the router's WPS button, then press the printer's wireless button within 2 minutes. The printer will obtain an IP and the LED will turn steady. If you prefer HP Smart, open the app on your phone or PC, choose Add Printer, and follow prompts to select the 2.4 GHz SSID and enter the password. Make sure to grant location and network permissions so the app can discover the printer on your LAN. You finish by confirming connection. Print the network configuration page from the printer menu to verify the SSID and IP address, then print a test page. If it fails, power cycle the router and printer, then retry WPS or the HP Smart setup. Interrupts or cached invalid settings often block pairing. If you still see drops, update the printer firmware in the HP Smart app and double-check interference sources and channel settings. This resolves most stubborn connection issues and ensures stable printing on your network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.